We made it, guys. We came from there in the bottom. We climbed it up. There's Ali and Panging Alex.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Hello, guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to AllieVenture. Today we're going to hike back at
The Whale Rock Reservoir.
yeah
Here in Cayucos, California. Wow, the baby is running. She still has so much energy. We're going down the hill. You can do it. Dad, the baby can't do it. You made it. Oh, go walk straight to Daddy. It's an incline hike. We made it, guys. We came from there in the bottom. We climbed it up. There's Ali and Panging Alex. That's where we came from. There's a little trail in there that you can hike up, and so we made it. We hiked all the way from the end over there, and so we went that incline hike to go back on the road. We hike about 45 minutes. We walk around the lake or the reservoir. It's called the Whale Rock Reservoir here in Cayucos.